Welcome to Pastry Living. This is Aya. Today we are making pumpkin spice. When I first heard about pumpkin spice, I thought it contains actual pumpkin flavor, but it's not the case. In other words, it's called pumpkin pie spice. So it's basically a mixture of spices that goes so well with pumpkin pie or any other pumpkin desserts. And you can of course buy the spice at the grocery store, but you can actually make it really easy with some simple selection of spices that you may already have in your pantry, which is cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, AllSpice, and clove. So let's just mix them up. Cinnamon, ooh, smells so nice. Ginger, nutmeg, and AllSpice, and clove, and mix. The smell is amazing. And move it in a jar or your favorite container. So I'm gonna use this square paper to pour it a little bit easier. Ta-da! Also, instead of mixing in a bowl, you can add all the spices in a jar and shake really well. And one batch of the recipe is enough for this big container, so you can store it like this and use right away whenever you need to. And today I'm going to decorate a little bit fancier as a gift. The shelf life of this spice really depends on the use by date of the spices you used, so check that out. But if all the spices are new, you can use it for up to a few years. You can use it for any of your favorite pumpkin desserts like pumpkin pie, pumpkin cookies, pumpkin muffins, pumpkin bread, and you can also add it in any of your favorite fall or holiday desserts or drinks like spice latte and spice cookies. Fall is here, holiday is coming. Enjoy making a lot of warm seasonal desserts using this spice. And next week I am making pumpkin spice chiffon cake, and this tastes so delicious. The flavor and the smell is really a pumpkin pie, but it's really fluffy and so soft and moist. So check it out in my next video. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy pastry living, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.